Good morning to everyone. Welcome to today's session. I think every one of you understood. So what all you have seen so far the last video under the topic equations into variables, and in the last class, up to the last class, what all we have seen under the fourth chapter means. So we have seen what about the structure of a linear equation into variables and how to solve them. And so many examples and also we have seen, right? And before going to today's session, first we have to recall. So what are the basic concepts under the fourth lesson, right? So our topic is equations into variables. So general form of a equation into variable, that is linear equation to variable, is nothing but ax plus by plus equal to 0. Here a, b, c, everything real numbers. Okay, so this is the examples. That is one of the example of a linear equation in two variable. So here x and y are the variables here, right? X and y are the variables, and 2, 4, 7 are real numbers. That is constants, right? So when we compare this equation into the general form of a linear equation into variable, so we can write the values of a, b, and c. So what is a? A is the coefficient of x in the given equation, and b is nothing but coefficient of y, and c is constant of, that is without the variable. So when we compare the given equation into the general form of a linear equation, the value of a is nothing but 2, and value of b is 4, and value of c is 7. So here the graph given here, and we are going to select the equations corresponding to this graph. So before that, so what type of problems and we have seen? Just let us recall now. So first we have seen, that is in the last classes. So first we have seen what about the general structure of a linear equation in two variables. Okay. Then second one, how can we find out the coefficients? That is the value of a, value of b, and value of c. And third one, how can we convert the linear equation into the general form? So like that. And then find out a value, b value, c value. And then next we have seen about solving a linear equation into variable. That is how to find out the solutions for the given linear equations. So how many solutions the given linear equation has? So infinitely many solutions it has. And in the last class we have seen how to form a linear equation according to the given solution, and also we have seen how to check whether the given solution is a solution of a given linear equation or not. So this kind of problems we have seen so far in the last classes, and today we are going to check these 4 options given here. So all are linear equations only. So we are going to check which equation satisfies this graph. That means in the graph, so here 3 points are available here. So read the question here. For each of the graphs given in the figure, select the equation whose graph it is from the choices given below, right? So the graph is given here. So we are going to check which equation satisfies this graph. That is, in the graph 3 solutions are pointed out here. Okay, so here 1, 2, 0, 0, and minus 1, minus 2. So here we are going to check which graph is satisfies this solution. Okay, that is which equation satisfying these 3 solutions. Okay, how can we check whether the given solution is the solution of the equation? So it is enough to substitute the value of x value and y value in the given equation, and you have to check whether it is balanced or not. Okay, now take one by one. Now let us go into take equation number 1. Okay, that is question number 1. So in the question first subdivision, so x plus y equal to 0 given here. Now I am going to check whether this equation satisfies this graph or not. That is, it is enough to check whether all the 3 solutions, that is 1, 2, 0, 0, and minus 1, minus 2 satisfies this equation or not. So satisfies means what? We have to substitute the value of x and y here and check whether it is balanced or not. Okay, Now I'm going to check the first one. Suppose I'm going to substitute 0, 0 here, means what will happen? So instead of x, 0, plus instead of y also 0. So 0 plus 0, what is the result? 0 only. So here also 0, here also 0, they balanced. Therefore 0, 0 is the solution of this equation. And next I'm going to put this 1, 2 here. So instead of x, I'm going to put 1, and instead of y, I'm going to put 2. So 1 plus 2. So what is the result here? So 1 plus 2 is 3 here. But here 0 is given right hand side. So it is not balanced. That is not equal. Therefore 1, 2 is not the solution of this equation. So what is the conclusion here? So out of the 3 points, so this 0, 0 alone satisfies this equation. But if all the points are satisfies this equation means, so this equation is related to this graph. But it is not possible here because only one point satisfies this equation. So it does not correspond to the given graph. Okay. So next I am going to check here. Okay, y equal to 2x. So y equal to 2x. Now I am going to put 1 by 1. Okay. So first I am going to put 1, 2. Okay, here. So that is x value 1, y value 2 here. So here I am going to put 1 by 1. Okay. Right. So now I am going to check 1 by 2 is the solution of this equation or not. So here first value x and second value y. So instead of x 1 and instead of y 2. So 2 equal to, so 2 into, so x value 1. So what will happen here? So 2 equal to 2 into 1, 2 only. So both sides are equal. Therefore it is satisfied. So what is the conclusion here? So 1, 2, this 1, 2 is the solution of this equation. So next I am going to put 0, 0 and I am going to check. So both x and y values are 0 here. So substitute here instead of y 0 and instead of y x also 0. So 0 equal to 2 into, so x value 0, right? So 0 equal to, so 2 into 0, 0 only. Therefore, so this one also balanced. Okay. And next I am going to check minus 1 and minus 2 are the solution of this equation or not. So instead of x put minus 1, instead of y put minus 2. So minus 2 instead of y equal to 2 into, instead of x minus 1. Okay. So minus 2 equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So here also balanced. So all the 3 points 1, 2, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2 satisfies this equation. Therefore y equal to 2x is the it's a corresponding equation for this graph. That means this equation satisfies this graph. Okay, that is the conclusion. And next I am going to check the third one. Okay, third subdivision. Okay, so I am going to put 1 by 1 here. Okay, so first put x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 here. So y equal to x is the equation. So y equal to x. So if you put the first point 1, 2 means, so y value 2 and x value 1. Is it possible? So they are different numbers, so it is not equal, therefore it is not balanced, not satisfied. Therefore, so the first point itself not satisfied this equation, so it is not the equation which satisfies this graph. Next I am going to check the fourth one. So y equal to 2x plus 1. Okay. So y equal to 2x plus 1. Now put 1 by 1. First I am going to put 1, 2. Okay, instead of x 1 and instead of y 2. So 2 equal to, so 2 into, so instead of x 1. So plus 1. So 2 equal to, so 2 into 1 2 and plus 1. So 2 equal to 3. Is it right? So definitely it is not satisfied at any time. Okay, so it is not balanced. Therefore it is also not satisfied the given graph. So out of the 4 subdivisions, only one equation y equal to 2x which satisfies this graph, right? So that is the conclusion here. Look at the next subdivision, second subdivision. So one more graph given here, and other 4 subdivisions given here. We are going to check which equation satisfies this graph. Again the same thing. Okay, so this line is the graph. So on this line the 3 points are 1, 6, 0, 4 and minus 2, 0. Okay, I'm going to check which equation satisfies all the 3 points. Okay, so first I'm going to check the first subdivision, that is x plus y equal to 0. Okay, now I'm going to check the first one. So instead of x 1, instead of y 6. So 1 plus 6 equal to 0. So 1 plus 6, 7. So 7 equal to 0. Is it possible? So definitely not. It won't satisfy. Therefore, it is not the equation to this corresponding graph. Okay, so no need to check other 2 points because the first itself not satisfied, so leave it. Then what about the second one? So y equal to 2x. Now substitute 1 by 1. I am going to check by putting x equal to 1 and y equal to 6. That is first point. So 6 equal to, so 2 into x value is 1. So 6 equal to 2. Is it right? So definitely not, they not equal, therefore it won't satisfy. So for the first point itself, the second equation not satisfied, therefore the point is not a solution of this equation. So this equation is not a graph, not a corresponding graph of the given value, right? So second one also not satisfied. And what about the third one? So y equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, now I'm going to check with the point 1, 6 here. Now substitute instead of x1 and y, instead of y6. So 6 equal to, so 2 into, so instead of x 1 plus 4, right? So 6 equal to, so 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 4 6. So it is balanced. So what is the conclusion here? So the point 1, 6 satisfies this equation. Okay, it is not enough. I'm going to check 2 more points, that is 0, 4 and minus 2, 0 also. Okay, so substitute here. Next I'm going to put x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. So 4 equal to 2 into, so x equal to 0 plus 4. Okay, so 4 equal to 2 into 0 what? So 2 into 0, 0 only, so they get cancelled. So 4 equal to 4. So it also balanced here. Therefore 0, 4 also the solution of the same equation. And next I am going to put the third point, that is x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 0. Okay, so x equal to minus 2, y equal to 0. So if you substitute here means what will happen? So y equal to 0, so equal to 2 into, instead of x minus 2 plus 4, right? So equal to, so 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 4. So in left hand side is 0 is there. So 0 equal to minus 4 plus 4, 0. So this one also balanced. So what is the conclusion here? So all the 3 points satisfies the third equation. So from this, y equal to 2x plus 4 is the corresponding equation, that is linear equation of the given graph. And what about the fourth one? So check the fourth one also. Okay, so y equal to, so x minus 4, right? Now I'm going to check with 1, 6. So instead of y 6 and instead of x 1 and minus 4, so 6 equal to, so 4, 1 minus 4 minus 3. So they are not equal, therefore it is not satisfied. So this, the fourth equation not satisfies this graph. So out of the 4 subdivisions, the only one graph, that is third subdivision, that is y equal to 2x plus 4, is satisfied all the 3 points of the graph. Therefore y equal to 2x plus 4 is the corresponding linear equation of the given graph. Okay, so one more subdivision is also there. So let us continue the slides in the next video.